as a leading manufacturer of high-quality small construction machinery. Suzhou FMAN Construction Machinery Manufacture Company Limited specializes in delivering cost-effective and versatile equipment tailored to meet diverse project needs. Our product includes concrete mixers, telehandler, backhoe loader, and all engineered for superior performance, efficiency, and ease of operating. After years of exchanges and cooperation, we have already exported to over 80 countries. We have set up overseas branch companies in Algeria, Fiji, Indonesia, Peru. We also have a full range of spare parts and accessories warehouses to provide better service and expand the market. FMAN enjoy a reliable reputation among customers for our professional services, high-quality products, competitive prices, and thoughtful after-sales services. With the most sincere business reputation, welcome customers who come from all over the world to FMAN.